Yo, what is up guys? Quick little video over here on how to replace the oil separator on your A4 B9 2-liter TFSI engine. So this is the Gen 3 of the engine, so the separator is a little bit different. I will show you shortly how to start. So first of all, you got those ground wires from your coil packs over here. You need to remove all 4 of those ground wires. Then you detach this coil pack, so 1, 2, 3, 4, pull it this way, and then you can pop out 2 of the coil packs from here, and this will let you get access to the whole oil separator over here. There are 2 hoses connected to it. One is connected over here, and this is this one, pretty simple to take out. Another one is over here. This is like 2 tubes connected together that go inside it, and this one you can unplug while you unscrew the whole thing and take it up. And you got some separate wires running over here over this, so I just zip tied it to the left of the engine, and now I will assemble everything and show you again how this looks like assembled. This is the oil separator, the old one. This was a replacement company over here and it went bad, and this is a new original one over here from Audi, and this is why I'm replacing it. Hopefully the engine will run better right now. Of course, before you start all of this, you want to dust off your engine over here and clean it with a brake cleaner over here to just give it a nice clean, no debris in your engine. As you can see, my engine is absolutely clean over here. Those camshafts over here are so shiny over here, like glass basically, which is nice to see. So you don't want to get any debris, any sand going into your engine, of course. So keep that in mind and dust off the whole engine over here and clean it with a brake cleaner before you start to unscrew it. Very important. So the oil separator is back in over here. I screw this in with about 10 or 11 Newton meters of force, of torque over here, because these are aluminium bolts, so you don't want to mess them up. And again, remember to connect this. After you screw the whole thing in, this one will pop in. There's a separate screw for this one over here. Make sure not to lose it. And this just pops in back over here. Screw this in. That's ready. Now I will get the coil packs in over here to the engine, and let's see how it goes. Also use some ceramic spray for the coil packs, so the next time I need to replace them I don't have to yank them out of the engine. And this is how she runs afterwards. So it's pretty simple to do. It took me about 30 minutes or so. And again, you start with unscrewing 4 of those. Then you take out this, like so, 4 of those. If you pull them this way, they should release the coils. Take out the 2 coils, and take out this hose out, and unscrew the TX30 screws over there. This is it. Replace. Finish.